What's in the bottom of that cup?
I don't know. Coffee?
I don't know either. Would you look?
What is it? What is it?
I don't know. It look like a hump. You know what the tongue looks like when you...
Yeah.
Well, that's what it kind of looks like, but I don't know if it's a clump of something or if it's just my eyes.
It's just your eyes.
Tip the cup a little bit.
I can't see.
Well, you're looking at your computer. Look at the cup.
No, I can see it through my computer. It's just a cup. That's just a cup. There ain't nothing in there.
There is too.
No, there isn't. What is it?
A set of teeth.
Listen, is that what? And you've been drinking it.
Whose teeth?
Whose teeth?
It's teeth. No. It actually scared me when I seen it. Oh, what is it?
They're teeth.
Huh?
They're teeth.
No teeth?
No, there is.
I know it. Oh my God.
Let's see. That's what you've been drinking.
Oh, no, I don't want to see it.
Look.
No!
Irma, look in the cup. Go ahead. Look in the cup. No, go ahead, look.
There has to be teeth in it.
No, go ahead, look. I'm serious. Go ahead.
I'll puke. I'll puke on your table and all over you.
You got me laughing. Now I got asthma.
I got something.
Mm.
Is it part of the cup? Yeah.
It's part of the cup.
That's what I was
Go ahead and look.
hoping.
See?
Yeah.
It's a prank cup. I've been waiting for an hour for you to finish that coffee.
You knew that was going to happen.
Yeah, I knew it was going to happen.
Oh. Ugh. That's gross. Oh my God.